I said they're stupid 1,000 times. Said they're a waste of money, but I got one. Definitely not rigged right, but I don't know what to do. I don't have the right hooks for this, but we're gonna give it a shot. See if I can catch some bass. There's one. Cool. I mean, he swallowed that thing. There's one. Oh my god, first cast with chatterbait. Oh, my drag ain't set. It's a little tiny bass. Oh, it's a white bass. Huh. On a chatterbait. Hey, hey. It's kind of cool. It's got a big scar on the side of them. These things are blowing up everywhere. That's a nice size one. I didn't have my drag or anything set. There's one. Oh my god. Nice bass. Nice one. Cool. Knew he was gonna be up in there too. Do it again. No? Okay. There ain't one in there. Really? Yeah, there was. Oh, nice one too. Yes, son. Finally, I knew there had to have been one in here. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, what in the world? What happened to that guy's mouth? Look at that. Like half his mouth is missing. I'm sorry, buddy.